Hi everybody! Today I wanted to talk about a diaper bag company that I have been eyeing for quite a while. I just keep coming back to their site over and over and over again looking at their bags, and it's the Happ brand diaper bags. I have a few of their bags to review on my channel, but today I wanted to start with the Paige Carryall. And I did want to mention that these bags were sent to me for review, but of course, as always, I'm going to be 100% honest with my reviews. I'm going to tell you all the things that I liked about the bag and some things that I didn't like too. So let's get started. So this is the Paige Carryall, and it comes in two different colors, the black and the dusty rose. I don't have any more purse or tote style type diaper bags anymore. I've tried quite a few, but they have never worked out for me. So I was really excited to try out the Paige Carryall first to see if this would work out better for me. So the Happ diaper bags are quilted diaper bags, and I feel like this looks so different than other quilted diaper bags that are out there because the way that they have stitched this, the quilting has a 3D effect to it, and I think that's really cool, really beautiful, and it looks really pretty in person, and it photographs beautifully too. I look back at the pictures that I have of this and I swoon every time I look at it. So I really like the herringbone quilting. The material is a water resistant nylon, and I definitely have to say that it is water resistant. Unfortunately, my bags did get caught in the rain with me and it didn't absorb. It kind of just wiped away so easily. So this is the front of the bag, and here you have this really nice trim. It's kind of like a little fold over, and it covers the zipper pocket right here. So it's a hidden zipper pocket, and you guys notice there's these two cute little gold buttons, and they do say Happ on it, and that's what the zipper pull looks like. This pocket is really big. It's really generous size. It goes about this wide and all the way down, so you could fit a ton in there. And in here I have my wallet. It also can hold all of the lip products that I like to bring with myself. And also in there is a little pouch by Jujubee, and in here has all of my hair ties, hair clips, bobby pins. And here at the bottom of the bag is the Happ brand logo. I think it's really beautiful. It's a beautiful light gold. It's not super yellow. And it's such a nice touch to the bag as well. It's a really nice contrast against the fabric, and I really like that as opposed to having their name kind of just engraved onto the fabric. So that's really pretty. And in the back, you guys can also see there is another slip pocket here. It's a magnetic closure, and you guys, I feel Happ makes really strong magnetic buttons. They are so strong, it always finds its way back. I don't even have to worry about making sure it's shut. And this is their change pad pocket. They do have a changing pad that is sold separately. In here, all I have right now is my planner and also a pen. I have also put books in there and my change pad too, but for the most part, I like to keep this part empty because I like it as my catch-all pocket and throw in everything that I collect throughout the day in this pocket. It's really easy for that. With most over-the-shoulder tote style diaper bags, the issue I always have with them and why they don't work out for me is that they always dig into my shoulders. The bag gets heavy, and then the straps are usually really thin and flat, and then they start to dig. And especially the diaper bags with the rolled handles, those don't work out for me either. But with the Happ Paige, the straps here, you guys can see, they are a lot wider, a lot thicker, and it's made out of the nylon material, and it's really nice and really squishy. So I've never had any problems with carrying this bag. And you guys can see here that there is this little button that says Happ on it, and you snap the straps together, and you guys, this button is everything for me. Something I can't stand about tote style diaper bags either is that they always fall off my shoulder, and with this I don't have that problem anymore, and I love this. It's so simple yet so thoughtful. Plus this makes for a really nice grab handle too, so instead of grabbing both straps together, you already have a really nice grab handle to grab your bag and go. How the page opens up, you see the zippers at the side of the bag, and it goes all the way around and onto the other side of the bag here. You do have two zipper pulls, and this is what they look like. It's a beautiful gold, and it does say Happ on there, and I would say it's a pretty hefty zipper pull. So when you open the bag, The opening itself is a metal frame opening, which creates this rectangular shape, and it allows you to open the bag very wide and see everything that you have on the inside. And it does stay open, and this is especially nice for packing up your bag, to just have it open and see the open space. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I have it packed, starting in the center here. I have packed my umbrella because the weather hasn't been that great. And at the very bottom of the bag, I do have an extra change of clothes. And then off to the side in the center is a snack tower that my daughter did eat through. So that's what that's looking like right now. And you guys can see with the bag, there are 2 bottle pockets at the side of the bag. And you have 2 slip pockets in the front and 2 in the back. So I'm gonna start with the 2 pockets in the front side of the bag. This one, I do keep always my utensils. And here I have 2 sticker sheets. I have a little notepad so she can stick them on. And also in there are some extra toys. I have a little Belle, Cinderella, and also Mulan. And beside that pocket, I have a hand sanitizer. I also have a pack of tissues in there, and also this small set piece by Jujube, and this is my small med kit. And the back side of the bag, the 2 slip pockets there. In this one, I have my wipes container. This is just a Huggies Clutch and Clean. And I have a light change pad in here, and this is by Jujube in the gingham style print. And beside that are my diapers. I have 2 diapers in there right now, and also a little baggie. And the 2 bottle pockets on the inside, I do of course have my water bottle and also my daughter's. So what I really like about the inside pockets is that the pockets are huge and they expand so much. So for example, I only had 2 diapers, and there is still so much more space in that pocket. I've put 4 in there before, and there was still so much room left over to put more diapers. So if you're one that is packing for a really long trip, or if you cloth diaper, I think these pockets are so big and so roomy, it could definitely accommodate that. That's how I had my Paige Carryall packed, and all the different features of the bag. And so for me, the pros, I love the amount of pockets you get with this bag. It's just pockets galore. They are all so generously sized. I really like that. Very comfortable to wear, and what really sold me with Happ brand is their claim of being feather light. And it's really amazing because these bags are big and they feel like nothing. It's amazing. And as for my cons, the only one that I have is the messenger carrying option, and I'll try my best to explain what I mean. The messenger style carrying option, the strap attaches here. There's one D-ring at the back of the bag, and then the second clip attaches here. So it clips at a diagonal. Now technically, I mean, you could clip both of the straps onto the front side, but I personally would not recommend it. It's just a little bit awkward to carry it that way. As you guys see, it's at a diagonal. Now it's not uncomfortable to wear it, you know, the straps diagonal like that. It's actually very comfortable, and I like the way that it fits and it sits on my body. However, overall, I just don't like the placement of these straps. So I'm gonna try my hardest to explain what I mean. When I'm carrying this bag, messenger style specifically, every single time I go to open and close the bag, this part of the strap being clipped onto the front always gets in the way for me. So here, it'll always stop me right here, the swivel clips, and then I have to bring my arm around and then take it down the rest of the way. And then when I go to close the bag, you guys can see here, the strap always cuts me off here, and then take my second hand and bring it down the rest of the way. And another thing that I did want to mention is that when I am carrying it this way, when I try to pull open my bag to get on the inside, there's resistance there because of this strap here. It's not allowing me to push it out farther and take advantage of that really nice frame opening. So it's just kind of like pulling it back. So that was an issue that I had with the messenger carrying option. But I mean, this right here is an optional carrying option. I don't have to wear it this way, and I really prefer and like a lot to carry it, you know, with the shoulder strap here. And for me, that alone is already a big deal for me to say, because like I said, I don't like to wear, you know, tote style bags. I just can't stand it, and I really, really like this and enjoy wearing it very much. Something that I did want to note as well is when you go to close this bag, it is going to take 2 hands to do that because of the frame. So just got to hold it and get it going. So just be aware of that. That is my review of the Happ brand Paige Carryall. And if you guys had any questions at all about this bag, you can leave them down below for me. I'll be happy to answer them for you. And I do want to thank Happ for sending these to me, especially overseas to where I'm stationed at. I appreciate it so very much. And there are other reviews coming on my channel of the Levy backpack and the Paige Mini. So if you guys were really interested in any of those other bags, be sure to subscribe to be notified of when those videos go live. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.